My name's Robert Shugert. I'm co-owner and managing partner of Shugert Farms, along with my brother Dwight Shugert and Steve and Stephanie Harris. My parents only worked on the farm. Myself, my brother, and 4 sisters grew up putting up hay, feeding cattle, taking care of cattle. Once I graduated from college, I began to build my own cow herd. I was AIing cows on 7 different locations, and it was becoming very, very time consuming and difficult to expand and see where you could manage more numbers. So I took a trip west to look at other registered livestock operations. I went to one place, Leachman Cattle Company in Billings, Montana, that was totally different. They ran 1,200 cows in the winter with no supplemental feed. That really got us thinking and trying to figure out how we could better utilize winter grazing and do away with harvested feed, purchased feed in any way we could.
We've been working on raising top-notch cattle. At the same time, we manage the ground to the point where we're not harming it at all. We've eliminated the putting up hay, which lowers the fuel cost to everything and lowers the work. We put more toward the livestock just harvesting the pasture that's there. And it makes the livestock healthier because instead of the cattle standing around the hay rack in January and February, they're out on pasture, so you've got less disease and less problems of that nature.
We're trying to match the cows to the pasture we have, and we're utilizing those cows to eat the forage that the strip mine ground produces and turn that into a high quality protein. We try to rotate our cows on a 12-month basis. So we are trying to utilize the forage in the cows to harvest that grass all year long. In managing the ground that way, we keep the groups by age and groups of 100 to 120, and we rotate them all the time. So we do a intensive grazing, but it's on a larger scale. The guys that work for us, and us included, have individual groups of cows that we manage. So we are required to rotate those cows, to maintain fence, keep those cows healthy.
So we keep records. We were Excel-based, still kind of are, on keeping the genetics for the cattle, breeding records, calving records, the farm, the land. We keep all the data we can on an Excel sheet to be able to reference. And now, since we're in Nebraska too, we've started using Google Docs to be able to share that with. And since it's a cycle and they're coming back, we can keep that record going straight forward so that cows aren't lost, data isn't lost, and we can maintain all of the genetic data that we need on our animals. We have grown to a large operation spread over 2 states, several counties, many members to our farm family that help us every day. You know, each animal counts, each group counts, and we do the best of our abilities to take care of those animals, which in turn helps take care of us. At the end of the day, our family helps take care of each other and the animals.